I'm Jason Barton. I'm on the Verizon Mech Managed Solutions team, and we're focused on applications that previously haven't been possible. Real-time video imagery and data collection from drones, ground robots, underwater robots, and pushing that over 5G into the mech for real-time processing. Now, not all of our customers have real-time needs, but all of our customers benefit from getting their data in real time and starting the processing much earlier than they have been able to in the past. Our customers today are coming to us for solutions. They're stuck. They're not able to bring these applications into a cloud environment. The data is trapped in the field. So we're sitting down with them, looking at whether it's a real-time application or not. How do we get the data into the mech and enable it to be available for processing instantly?
Hi there, my name is Joe Sullivan. I'm the CEO of Aerial Applications. Aerial Applications is a software company that makes maps using drones and artificial intelligence. And the primary problem that we're solving is this data deluge, right? The idea that you've got hundreds of terabytes of data that are just flowing in that need to be processed and reviewed. And it's too much data to be able to handle manually, right? And being able to crank through that information is expensive, it's time consuming, and ultimately low quality. With Aerial Applications, we've developed technology that allows processing of raw data and creates ultra high resolution 3D copies of the physical world that allows a wide range of sensors to come off of any kind of platform, whether that's drones or conventional aircraft or satellites. And we take all of those photos and sensor outputs and we put them into a cloud environment so that you're able to organize that into a structure across a wide range of different applications.
5G isn't just about a bigger pipe. With 5G in the mech, we get much lower latencies and infinite scalability in the cloud.
A good example of this is the work that we're doing in wildfire prevention, where we can take all of that information, right? So we're able to fly over hundreds of square miles of forest land and give you a ultra high resolution model of those trees. And doing that serves a wide range of different mission sets, whether that's endangered species protection or wildfire prevention. But we're really excited about what we're going to be able to do once we implement 5G into our solution set. And so right now, all of that information streams off of the drone into the cloud. Once we're able to have a 5G connection from drones back to the cloud and then also to mobile edge devices, we anticipate seeing a massive increase in the speed of transfer across all of these multiple different objects in the field.
Our partnership with Joe and Aerial Applications is just one example. Verizon is fully committed to deploying the full potential of 5G for the benefit of the DOD and the incredible men and women that serve.